Alright guys, so we are here at my grandma's house for another video. It's going to be called Cooking with Nany. It's a new series we're doing where we're actually just going to hang out with my grandma. We're going to cook some good authentic Mexican food and we're going to take you guys through it step by step. I also got Caitlin right here and she is going to be assisting with the camera. She's going to be doing all the pictures. So everything you see is going to be her work. So definitely stay tuned guys. You're going to see a lot of cool stuff and learn a lot of cool stuff as well. Let's do it. Hello. How are you? Hey, Nany.
And put cheese on top. And this is definitely not the right grater for this.
The right grater? You don't have a hand grater?
Yeah, but look at how fast this grates compared to a hand grater.
It does go a lot faster. I hate hand grating.
See, these are kind of unique.
Yeah, that's crazy. It looks like pasta.
Yeah.
Is this Munster? What is this?
It's Jack.
Oh, it's medium cheddar.
Yeah, cheddar. Yeah, kindly
good stuff. Oh, okay.
So
where do you get this at?
You can find that in the frozen food section. And most grocery stores. You can even find it in California.
In California?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bueno.
See, if you're in California, hope is not lost.
The best one is the one that you make from dry red chili pots.
Is that the flour?
This is just regular flour. I'm going to take probably 2 tablespoons.
Ooh, I like the sizzle. Thank you, Nany.
It's a little high-waisted.
Oh, we hit ourselves with the lip roller. At least I did. I didn't hit myself with it. I used it on myself.
Thanks for that clarification.
Just sting myself with the lip roller.
Are you guys going to want fideos or rice?
Fideos, for sure.
Okay.
Fideos. Fideos are good. Is it good?
It needs brown. It needs to be brown.
Is it not brown? I'm colorblind.
It's too pale.
And what are you going to do with this? I guess we'll find out.
I'm going to add some salt to it and some seasoning.
Okay, so we add a little bit of salt. A bit of salt.
We're making a pint of red chili.
A pint? That's a lot.
Well, 2 pints of red chili.
Oh, there you go. Now it's a brown color. Are we throwing, what is that?
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder? So you just put a little shake in there?
Yeah, it's not even a teaspoon that I'm putting in.
Obviously everything is...
A la mano.
It's up to however, whoever's cooking it wants it to taste, but...
You kind of do it
by your preference.
You can always go in and add more.
Yep, for sure. Oh, that smells delicious already. Man, you smell that, Caitlin?
Alright.
Smell that.
Yeah, that's so good. Did you get how brown it is?
Yeah. Look at that. That looks delicious.
There we go. Now I'm going to start putting the chili in. So what you need to do is keep turning it.
Keep turning it? Okay.
Because we're going to put the chili in.
Oh man, look at that. Can you get this chili at like Sam's or Walmart? Yeah, okay,
I bought this at Walmart.
Yeah, hit up Sam's or Walmart, you can get that exact chili.
And what you want to do is keep stirring up so you don't get lumps. With the flour, you will get lumpy.
And that kind of just makes the base for...
So, can you smell the spices?
I can. Oh man. Good. Is that the same stuff?
Yeah, same.
Oh, it's hot.
Delicious.
Uh-oh.
It comes in different.
I'm going to have a fun time in the bathroom tomorrow.
Does that go on the video?
What was that?
Does that go on the video?
Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Don't waste a drop.
I'm adding water to rinse out the container. Keep stirring.
Ooh, that smells good. yep, I can smell that now.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Don't burn yourself.
There we go.
Do you have to add water into it? Yeah.
The directions for how to make the chili are on the container.
Oh.
You can follow their directions, and they're pretty similar to what we do.
Mm.
A lot of people do it differently. Some people don't add water. It's depending on the thickness of their chili. Doing good?
Yes.
Got all the flour blended?
Yep.
Okay, we can stop stirring, and we're going to put it to simmer.
All right.
We're going to put it to medium.
Okay.
Let it come up to a boil, and then we're going to let it simmer for a while.
Okay. Add some salt to the taco meat right there. A little bit of salt. Can't go wrong with salt. And some pepper. Pepper. I always pepper my meat. Always pepper your meat. Remember that. You're not a man unless you pepper your meat.
When did that come into this?
I don't know. I just right now.
I do it by hand.
What?
With seasonings.
I just dump them in there. Oh my God, everything's smelling so freaking
lower
good.
this, and we can just let it cook while we do the rest.
All right, so next step is frying the tortillas. Now you can use flour or corn. These are corn, I believe, right? Yes. If you use flour tortillas, you're a psychopath.
No, you can make.
No, you're a psychopath.
It wouldn't be an enchilada.
Yeah, exactly.
You can do whatever you want to. You can make anything you want to.
You can do what you want, but there's rules to this stuff. All right, so now we are frying the tortillas. You gotta get me when I tell you. So we are now going to start setting up the enchiladas, or how would you describe what we're going to do?
Drop it in the chili.
Ooh, you get it nice and soaked.
And I'm just going to let it drain off a little bit.
Plop it on the plate. And that is an enchilada. Let's eat.
And then from here, I'm going to add a little cheese. And you want onion?
A little bit, please.
I'll just put a little bit on the bottom.
Yeah, that works. Give it some flavor. Try something new. I usually don't get them with onion. So it looks like you just dunk them and then you stack them, right? And then you put the meat on the top?
Yeah.
Yep, okay, cool. Just throw in some more cheese.
You do. You can do that.
Whose is this? Is this mine?
That's yours.
Okay, we're gonna load it with cheese. I want a triple. Is that okay?
When you put that much cheese on it, I thought,
Oh. Yeah, you gotta decorate this thing with cheese. This is the only way to do it right here.
3 or 4?
Three. I don't want to be a prude.
I'm getting 4.
Oh, are you really? Oh. Hold on.
How many is it?
Oh, I'll take 4. Yeah, I'm pretty hungry. Ooh, that looks good. You sprinkle the meat on top. That's the meat we made earlier with the garlic. I don't know what you're using there. Alright guys, well thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you followed along. We are going to leave the recipe in the description, but we will also leave it right here so you guys can screenshot it and use it however you'd like. We will be cooking again with Nany here soon, so keep an eye out for that video. Also, next week we're going to be doing a haunted house tour at the old Doniana Courthouse, so stay tuned for that video as well. And as always, like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you guys premium content and keep bringing you guys good recipes and other activities.